What's up guys, so today I'm here in my 2017 Honda Fit and today we're going to change the smart key battery. And the way you know you need to change the battery is when you start the car. The first chime is for the seatbelt, but after that goes away, the higher pitched chime, and we see this battery light blinking. So that second chime and the battery light blinking means we need to change the key fob battery. And we're taking the key apart. So first we're just going to remove this little case. This is a aftermarket case. I can put a link to it below if you like it. But that just slides off. And now on the back of the key we see the little switch, that little switch right there. And we're going to push up on that little switch and remove the metal key. So this would be the key that you would use in your door if you needed it. Okay, so now that we've got the key part separated from the rest of the fob, we need to separate the fob into two pieces. And we can actually use the key as a tool, and we're going to press it in the middle part of the key. Press down. And a little side to side, and now we see we've separated the key into two parts. Okay, and so now we see the key battery, and it is a CR2032. This is a very common battery, you can find it in most stores, and now we're just going to replace that battery. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take off the old battery. So the battery is held with these four little plastic clips. The bottom two are different shaped from the top two. The top two are going to be flexible, and those are the two that we're going to manipulate to get the battery out. Okay, so the best way we found to do this is kind of put one finger or nail, and it does help to have some nails here. Put one finger, like we see the left thumb, wedge that one under the battery on the side, then use the other thumb to press that little clip upwards. So now do the same for the other side, and now the battery pops up. Okay, now we got our new battery, and this new one we should just be able to press in pretty easily. So we're gonna slide it in like that under the two round shaped bottom clips, and then just press down. And now our key is in place. Alright, and then we're just gonna attach the two pieces of the fob together, and we're just gonna squeeze them together. And you do need to use a little bit of force on this, but just make sure it's aligned right, and then use some force. You shouldn't break it. Oh. And now we're just gonna put the key part back in, and we're done. So that's it for this video. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, and now we got now our battery is in place. Let's reattach the cover, which should just snap in place.
It's not that easy.